Hi everyone, welcome to today's agriculture practical. Do you know groundnut flowers are mostly callistogamous and fertilize even before they open? In this video, I will explain the floral biology of groundnut and demonstrate the live emasculation process step by step. This video is useful for agriculture students, plant breeding learners and competitive exam aspirants. Let's begin. First of all, we have to know overall introduction about the groundnut. Groundnut, also called as the peanut, and it is known as king of oil seeds, and it's sometimes evenly called poor man's almond because of its high nutrition value. Groundnut, botanically called Arachis hypogea, it belongs to the family of Fabaceae. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 40. India is one of the most largest producer in the world. Friends, did you thinking why is groundnut so special? It contains 45 to 50% of oil and 25 to 30% of protein. It is used for oil, butter, sweets, chocolates and bakery product. The stems and leaves are excellent cattle feed. The most importantly, it improves the soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. One amazing and interesting information in groundnut flowering and pod formation. Groundnut is unique. Flowers appear above ground, but after fertilization, the pig grows downward and enters the soil where pods develop underground. Hence the name groundnut. Now we have to see the one small animation video about the groundnut pod formation.
The flowers have all bloomed. Why are we not bearing fruit yet?
If we could touch the ground, we still have fruit.
Really? We'll reach down to the ground.
Look, this distance is too far to touch the ground.
Try a little harder. Ouch. Why did you kick me to the ground?
Hey, I touched the ground.
After trampling, you also poured dirt on my face.
I do this to give you more fruit.
This environment is very suitable for us to develop.
Step on the peanut tree. Will help it produce more fruit. What a useful method.
Friends, up to this, we have to see the overall introduction about the groundnut. Now, we have to see the floral biology of groundnut. Groundnut flowers are self-pollination and most of the flowers are callistogamous nature. That means pollination happens inside the bud before it's open. Some flowers are chasmogamous where they open and cross-pollination can occur, but this is very rare. Groundnut flowers are complete, bisexual, zygomorphic flowers. Parts of the flowers, corolla contain 5 petals, that is 1 standard petal, 2 wing petal, 2 keel petal. Calyx contain 5 sepals. Stamens are usually 10. This is diadelphous in nature, that means 9 are fused and 1 is free. Gynoecium is monocarpellary, superior ovary and unilocular in nature. Now you might ask, if the crop is mostly self-pollinated, why do we need emasculation? The answer is, emasculation is essential for making hybrids in plant breeding. To cross 2 varieties, we need to prevent self-pollination, and that's why emasculation is done.
We are going to do emasculation in groundnut. It's time 6 a.m. at Asendarai Kurmian Malai. In this beautiful morning scenario, we are going to perform emasculation process in groundnut as a part of field research activity. This is the groundnut field. The plants are in peak flowering stage. This is the correct time to do the emasculation in groundnut. First of all, select well-developed and open bud. Hold the flower bud between your thumb and index finger and carefully open the standard petal with the needle and pull down the wing petal. Hold back the standard petal with the thumb and index finger. Break open the keel petal with the point of needle. Now remove all the anthers along with the filaments using forceps. Do slowly and carefully. Remove all the 10 anthers. Now immediately cover the emasculated flower bud with butter paper bag to prevent the unwanted pollen entry. Tag the emasculated flower bud. The tag contains crop name, emasculation date and emasculation time. Finally, emasculations are completed. We sincerely acknowledge the support of our course teacher, Dr. K.R. Saravanan, Assistant Professor of Plant Breeding and Genetics, whose dedicated assistance made this work possible.
If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.